Okay, I know that this is not a new Oraimo product, but I noticed that a lot of people were searching for it on my website. Maybe they just want to get my own point of view of the device, so I decided to get it for myself so I can review it. And yeah, here's the unboxing. Alright, so I can see some seals over here. So there's a seal here, and there's another one down here. So yeah, maybe you can open it from any place. So let's try this part. Alright, so let's see what's inside. To be honest, I haven't seen an unboxing of this hotspot device. So okay, so there's nothing inside here besides this container here. So we have the manual, and I don't know what this is. Maybe it's just some important information about the hotspot. Maybe if I have to blur some things, I'll blur them, but I don't think there's anything to blur here. Okay, the manual. And this should be the device. So it's okay. Wow, it looks very glossy, and I'm already seeing a lot of scratches happening on this device already, because this is going to be a really good fingerprint magnet. But yeah, it looks very nice, and it feels very light, like the MiFi that I normally use. I made a video of the MiFi I bought from AliExpress. I'm still using it. It's what I use with my Android TV. Anyways, yeah, so I'll just keep this for now to see what's left inside the box. Okay, this is going to be the battery. Okay, so this should be a 3000 milliamp, but it is 2920 milliamp hours. And the only problem with this that I'm thinking about in the future is how to get a replacement for this. So I don't know if Oraimo has like replacement batteries for the Wi-Fi device, but for now we'll just use it as it is. Finally, this should be I think this is a Type C, or it's a micro USB. It's not a Type C, it's a micro USB port. So this should be the micro USB cable. Yep, as expected, it is a micro USB cable. My camera is not focusing. Let's see if I do it this way. Okay. Yeah, micro USB. And that's everything you get. That's everything you get from the box. So you get the manuals, you get this special sticker. Maybe you can just stick it to the hotspot device. Anyways, you get the hotspot device, you get the micro USB, and you get the battery. So I think these are the most important things you get. The rest are just not necessary. Like this one, I don't think anyone needs this. Okay, so as usual, I'm going to be using the device for maybe a week or so, and then I'll give you guys my full review of the product. So if you guys have questions concerning it, let me know in the comments so that I'll take note of them, so that when I make the final review, I can answer those questions. But everything you need to know, I believe I'll cover them in the video. Anyways, I think that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Take care and bye-bye.